Hello everyone and welcome on this new weekly market analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So as usual my friends, let's now begin our weekly analysis with the EURUSD. So from the first side here at the EURUSD on the weekly chart, what we can see here is a massive bearish breakout from this long-term support level which actually has been formed back in December 2022. Which is more than 2 years. So almost 2 years, sorry. So the bearish breakout happened right here. Now, interestingly, what we can see right here is another retest of that level of a resistance right here. So this level of a resistance, let me just show it to you. We have here, of course, a resistance exactly at 1.059. And after the bearish breakout happened right here from this level of a support at 1.059 as well, the market already retested that level of a resistance. Remember, we are talking about weekly charts. So each and every candle represents a whole week. So therefore, this wick right here represents, of course, a strong key level of a resistance, which indeed has been respected. So the market right now is on a very strong bearish movement. But that doesn't mean that we have to look for a sell. We are looking for a buy. What? You just said the market in a strong bearish movement. How come we're looking for a buy? The reason is, if we zoom out a little bit, check this out. The candle actually has reversed exactly at the strong key level of a support right here at 1.033. Check this out. So based on weekly chart, we have here, of course, a reversal happened exactly at that level of a key support. The market already reversed exactly at the same level. Not only that, but if we zoom in a little bit more, now what we can see right here is a broken triangle. Again, my friends, we are still on the weekly chart. So here we actually have a channel. This is the real channel like that. Ignoring, of course, the fake breakout. We are having here the real level of a resistance trend line and support trend line and the actual bearish breakout. So now the strategies, actually the rules of Forex says when you actually have a triangle has actually been broken out from like this, usually what will gonna happen is that the market will reverse actually at the strongest key level of a support level and then start the bullish reversal to retest the broken level of the support trend line and begin its journey to create a resistance trend line. And that is exactly what's happening. Now the market actually has reversed upon the pressure of the support at 1.033. Even right here it was a resistance, and now the market is reversing at it. So now on the weekly chart, most likely the next candle is going to be bullish as a reaction to that level of the support. In my opinion, it's not going to be a good idea at all to sell the EURUSD exactly right here at the bottom of the real support on the weekly chart. We can actually expect a reaction, which actually going to happen next week. So therefore, next candle most likely is going to be bullish. Now, daily chart. Daily chart shows us that the EURUSD has actually reversed for exactly, let me just be precise, for over 85 pips from this level of a support, which shows, of course, a strong rejection. It shows, of course, a reaction. So therefore, we have to consider buying the EURUSD till at least to reach this level of a previous resistance at 1.058, or even a support. To be actually even more safe, we will actually target the level of the support at 1.059, so meaning we are targeting over 100 pips. Let's now go to the 4-hour time frame. So after identifying the direction based on weekly and daily chart, now we move to the smaller time frames such as 4-hour, 1 hour, or even 30 minutes to identify the entry, where exactly now we can place our next sell order. Now actually, based on the 4-hour time frame, we cannot really see much here, but still we actually recommend to buy the EURUSD at the absolutely bottom, the lowest bottom of the real support at 1.039. Let me now move to the 30-minute time frame. As you can see, that was the level where the market has always been rejected or declined from any bearish breakout on that level. And also, by a quick look in here at the support trend lines, check this out, that is fantastic. So now here we have, of course, a support trend line, which indeed has been broken out from with this bearish breakout candle, then instantly became a resistance trend line. But because the bullish movement here is stronger, we can see barely any attempts of a support, barely any attempts of a resistance trend line. Then instantly the same level of a support trend line has indeed been respected, which tells us that the EURUSD actually has a good chance to fall again and respect the same level of the support trend line. Therefore, I would like actually to use right now or actually to seek the help of Fibonacci retracement to find my best and decent entry, which is going to be exactly right here at Fibonacci 38.2, which means 1.039 is going to be our buy level, targeting there is the support right here, exactly the broken level of the support at 1.042, expecting around, I'm on the 30-minute time frame. Sorry, my friends, my mistake, sorry. We're actually aiming this level of a broken support, as we have said earlier. So therefore, we are targeting around, let me just be sure, exactly 115 pips of profit. However, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging much lower than Fibonacci 23.6, which is going to be for about 42 pips only. That's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the GBPUSD. So actually, my friends, this was my signal on last weekly analysis on the GBPUSD. I'm just happy about it because it actually has reversed exactly at the given price of the buy and then went all the way to the take profit level, making over, it was actually like a scalping signal only, my friends, on like 70 pips of profit. So it was indeed a good signal and I'm just happy about it. So I hope also the next signal is going to work well. Now, what's next with the GBPUSD? Now, a quick look here at the weekly chart shows us also that the GBPUSD is also facing right here a strong key level of a support on the weekly chart at 1.251. Now, most likely, we're looking for longing the GBPUSD for many reasons. Number one is the broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see right here. Check this out. So here, of course, we have a resistance trend line number one, number two, number three, and then after the bullish breakout happened, we also have here a supported trend line number one, and right now the market seems like it's actually under the pressure of the second attempt of the supported trend line, also horizontal level of a support as well. So based on weekly chart, most likely the next candle is going to be blue. Not only that, but actually we have here also a supported trend line, as you can see, being also respected. So a lot of signs tells us that we can actually buy the GBPUSD exactly right on this area. So under a lot of pressure from the support trend lines and support and horizontal support, we are looking to long the GBPUSD. Daily chart. So now daily chart shows us also a reaction on this level of a key support, and the market actually has reversed for around 50 pips after reaching this level of the support. So in this scenario, where is the best level to start buying again the GBPUSD? Actually, judging from daily chart, we can buy the GBPUSD right on the bottom of the real support right here exactly at 1.251. Check this out. So here, of course, we have the real level of the support here as well, and here as well. I mean, wherever I see, it always has been a real level of the support. Now, moving to the 30-minute time frame directly. Here is 30-minute time frame showing us something very similar to the GBPUSD. So a quick look also here at the support trend line. Check this out. Fantastic. So now we can actually expect to buy the GBPUSD exactly again from this level of a real support right here at 1.252, I think. Let me just be sure. Exactly 1.252, which means we have to wait for the pair to fall to another only 10 pips. Actually, I'm not feeling comfortable 10 pips. Let me just scroll to the left side. I want to be sure, my friends, I'm giving you the best signal possible. I'm just thinking loudly of this is going to take a while. Wait a minute. Actually, it's not going to be really safe. I don't feel comfortable about it. I will surely buy the GBPUSD exactly at this level here of a real support, ignoring these fake breakouts and just listening to this real level of the support here and there. So therefore, if the GBPUSD will fall to another 18 pips, now here I think is going to be convenient level to buy this pair, aiming the highest level of a real resistance. Again, my friends, right now I'm actually on the 30-minute time frame, so therefore we are aiming 90 pips of profit and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much lower than the bottom of the support at 1.248, ranging for only 30 pips. That's everything for the GBPUSD. Now moving to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD also I kept this signal because I have sent actually this signal last Saturday, and as you can see also went in a good profit, 60 pips as well. So again, my friends, it was really like a scalping because we were actually playing it safe with these signals last Saturday. Now what's next with the AUDUSD? Now this is interesting here. Based on weekly chart, the AUDUSD not only on a support zone but also the price action. This is one of the most trusted price actions ever in history of the Forex. If you guys seen this Forex, this price action, the inverted hammer just like this on a support level with a long wick at the top and shorter tail at the bottom, it's usually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. Let me just take you through quick examples if I can find any. Here, for example, we have the same candle. This one right here. After the appearance of this candle, the market actually was in a very strong bullish movement. Last example that I can see on a support level is this one. As we can see here, after the appearance of it, the market rose again. Where else I can see it? I mean, I just want to show you examples if I can. Here also we have one of them. As we can see, this is actually the exact same candle that we have this week, and as we can see, the next month was the whole month bullish month. So therefore, AUDUSD most likely is going to be bullish. So now going to the daily chart. Now daily chart shows us that the AUDUSD indeed Friday night has actually respected this level of a key support at 0.648. So indeed, the reversal has occurred already here. That level of a real support indeed has been respected. So now that actually adds more question. Where exactly is the right level now to buy the AUDUSD? Let's now go to the 30-minute time frame. So based on the 30-minute time frame, we have here, of course, first of all, I would like to delete this one so it will not confuse us. Back to the 30-minute time frame. Now let's separate the fake breakouts from the real levels of a support. Now here, interestingly enough, we can see here a clear level of a real support and many fake breakouts. Here we have fake breakout number 1, fake breakout number 2, fake breakout number 3, 4, and 5. Let's count the real level of a support. Number 1, real level of a support. Number 2, number 4, 5, 6. So meaning we have actually a lot of real support, even right here, number 7. We have here a lot of real level of a support. So therefore, if the AUDUSD will fall to another 7 pips, yeah, that's actually fine. I'm actually convenient with this one because the AUDUSD most likely will start the bullish reversal instantly. Yes, everything says that. So most likely we can buy the AUDUSD. Not only that, but if we look carefully here on the 30-minute time frame, we actually have interesting structure of a triangle. So meaning there will be a price explosion. A price explosion, what's that? A price explosion means that the market right now is getting in the bottleneck right here, getting more narrow and narrow, and eventually it will make an explosion, which actually is a massive bullish breakout or a massive bearish one. Most likely based on the weekly chart candle or the weekly price action, we are actually expecting a bullish breakout to happen. So therefore, let's buy the AUDUSD right on this level. And back now to the 4-hour time frame to find our take profit level, even daily chart. For daily chart, where exactly is our take profit level? Our take profit level gonna be? Wait a minute. Actually, we're looking to buy from which level? Okay. Sorry guys about that. Back now to daily chart. Our take profit level can actually be placed right here at the highest level of a real resistance, which is the nearest one to our entry as 0.659, aiming around 97 pips profit with this signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the real level of a support right here exactly at 0.646, ranging for around not even 30 pips. I mean, let's play it a little bit safe, guys. 37 pips against 97 pips of profit. That's everything for the AUDUSD. Now jumping to the USDCAD. Alright, so USDCAD has almost reversed from my sell area. Just reversed like, oh, come on guys, 10 pips far away from my entry. Then eventually went to the take profit level, making over 130, even 140 pips. I wish this signal has been triggered. I'm not sure if we as Xtreme trader can take any credit of this signal. I'm not sure. I think no, we cannot take credit. 10 pips is actually a lot on the USDCAD. However, now what's next with the USDCAD? Now, based on weekly chart, we can see here another inverted hammer. This is, of course, my friends, another good price action, which is similar to the one we have talked about, the inverted hammer. If you guys see this candle appeared on a resistance level upside down, like for example this one right here, it's actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. So the idea here is, if you see this candle appeared on a support level, it means that the market is getting ready for the bullish reversal. If you, however, see it on a resistance level, it means that the market right now getting ready for the bearish fall. We actually have many examples. Of course, this one here doesn't count because this is on a support level. We are talking on a resistance. So here we have a good example. Let me just see example here where exactly we can show you here, for example. this candle right here, as you can see, reversed here also, but it actually failed. I will be honest, here it failed. The next candle was blue. Here, however, the market kept falling after its appearance. Here also, as we can see, the same candle. The next one was a red one. So therefore, most likely right now, the USDCAD is looking for a bearish fall. So I know many of you say, but Salah, the USDCAD is actually retesting a broken level of a resistance. Well, keep in mind that this is the resistance right here, and the USDCAD actually has closed exactly, not even on it, but little bit below the level of a resistance. So by looking at daily chart, look at that. Daily chart shows us that the USDCAD has actually made 2 attempts to rise again above this level of a resistance and has failed. And actually it has been declined from any bullish breakout, which means most likely right now the USDCAD is looking for a bearish movement, and it will reach this level of a key support at 1.384, which means we can look for another 170 pips on the USDCAD. So now what's next with this pair? Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. So now based on the 4-hour time frame, I would like to sell the USDCAD exactly right here at the real level of a resistance at 1.399, which was of course a very strong key level of a resistance, facing here one fake breakout. So after the bullish breakout happened from this level of a resistance, the USDCAD actually has failed to create here a new level of a support. Even this level of a support actually hasn't been respected. Instantly the USDCAD fell down below this level of the support, and we can see here the next 2 candles were actually showing actually weakness and showing pressure from these sellers to take the market down. Therefore, I would highly recommend to sell the USDCAD at 1.399, which means we have to wait for the market to rise to another 17 pips maybe, and then our take profit level can actually be placed just right here at the bottom of the real support at 1.393, which means we're actually aiming 65 pips profit with this signal, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance at 1.402, ranging for around 31 pips only. Okay, so now let's finally move to the USDJPY. Okay, so USDJPY also worked very well from the last weekly analysis. As you can see, this was the triggering point right here. USDJPY has actually reversed from here at the entry and hit instantly the take profit level, making over I think 100, let me just check, sorry, 90 pips only. 90 pips only was our take profit level. So I hope you guys have taken this signal and enjoyed the profits. Now what's next with the USDJPY? Actually, based on weekly chart, we can see something here. The USDJPY did not reverse at this level of a key resistance at 152.033. Instead, the market actually kept rising above this level of the support. Not only that, but actually has reversed exactly right here as a bullish reversal at that level of a support. And of course, it means that this level of the support has indeed been respected, and that level of a resistance has already been retested. So therefore, USDJPY is on one wild bullish movement, and most likely it will continue the rise till it reach the highest level of a key resistance right here, at least at 158.768. So meaning, in my opinion, we have to consider buying the USDJPY. Not only that, but something actually I just saw right now with the naked eyes. Fantastic, yes. That level of a real support trend line, as you can see right here, 1, 2, 3 attempts after the bullish, after the bearish breakout happened. We have one minor attempt of a resistance trend line, which has been instantly broken out from. And as you can see, the market is still respecting the same level as a support trend line. So meaning the bullish movement here is very strong. The upper trend is very strong, and we can consider buying the USDJPY as soon as possible. So after deciding the direction based on daily and weekly chart, let's now move to the 1 hour time frame to find our decent entry for this pair. Now look at that. Here, if I just squeeze the chart like this, now what we have right here is a support, actually a support trend line. And as you can see right now, if the USDJPY will continue the fall, it will actually face a strong key level of the support right here exactly at 154.397. That level of the support most likely will be respected. Even when we had here a fake breakouts, the market instantly broke out from it. So under the pressure of the support trend line right here and the real level of horizontal support, most likely the USDJPY will reverse exactly at that level and then continue the rise, and we will target the highest level of a real resistance right here at 155.860. Now let me just show you something else. The market is actually moving in a very strong bullish movement, and one of the signs that actually I have just seen is this: a broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see with this bullish breakout candle. So again, if the USDJPY will fall again, it will not only be under the pressure of the support trend line and the horizontal support, but also retesting a broken level of a resistance trend line. Remember, this is the right pattern, or actually the right price scale. So again, we are looking to buy the USDJPY exactly right here and targeting the nearest level of a key resistance, which lies exactly right here at 155.720, targeting around 133 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the real support at 153.891, ranging for around 50 pips or 51 pips only. And finally, let's now move to the USDCHF, which was really one fantastic signal. This is, my friends, from the last weekly analysis, and as you can see, it's running in over 106 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken these signals and made profits. If you guys have taken these signals, please share with us in the comments. Let everybody to know the quality of extreme trader signals. And now, to make it short for you, actually for the USDCHF, we are still looking to buy this pair exactly right here at this level of the support at 0.891. As you can see here, we have a strong key level of a support, which has already become here a resistance. So now the USDCHF actually has a good chance to make a pullback right now, and hopefully it will actually respect the same level of that support, and after that it will continue the rise toward our resistance right here at 0.897. Of course, even higher than that, we can actually set our take profit level to be at the highest level of a resistance as 0.899, targeting around 85 pips of profit. Let me just now edit the entry to be right here, exactly just like this, and to make it very simple and quick for you, my friends. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the USD pairs for the next week. Again, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals. Usually we are sending here updates like this one, for example, on the gold, about these signals, which we are sending here on YouTube. So I highly recommend you guys to stay connected to Xtreme Trader team and join us. This is the Forex channel on Telegram, Xtreme Trader Signals. Please be aware of the scammers who uses our name and logo pretending to be Extreme Trader. Just make sure to join the authentic and real channel, and you can also find the link in the description below this video for a quick access. So until then, my friends, I wish everyone a happy weekend, and in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.